Welcome. In today's video, I'll show how you can set your system up on this Redmi 13R. So let's begin configuring our smartphone during the initial system setup. So here tap at this arrow button, then decide the language that your setup will be in, as well as the system. So where's the English? Should be on top somewhere. So English, US. Here, select the region that you're from. Then accept first you'll need to read and then accept the user agreement, as well as the privacy policy. Once everything is read and acknowledged, confirm it by checking this little box here and proceeding. Here you can insert a SIM card and set up your mobile and SIM preferences, but it's not mandatory. You'll be able to do that at any given time in the future, so I'll skip this step. As for now, the same can be said about the Wi-Fi. You can either connect yourself to a Wi-Fi network now, and you can do that later after the setup is finished. So as you can see by the skip option here, this step is purely optional, so let's skip it as for now. Now read and accept all the Google services terms. Here you can also set up the screen lock method or skip this step for now and do not lock your screen, at least at the moment. Here you can change and configure the basic settings such as location, enable and disable location, send in usage and diagnostic data, automatic system updates, personalized ads. What else? User experience program, MIUI daemon permissions, and update apps automatically. So enable or respectively disable all those options in accordance with your preferences. Here you can set up screen carousel for your lock screen, or you can skip the step also. Select what kind of home screen you would like to have, a classic one or the app drawer version. I'm more inclined towards the app drawer usually, so I'll select this option here. Now wait a few seconds for your system to be prepared and for you to receive next instructions, or following instructions rather. As you can see, we are currently ready to rock. The setup has been completed successfully. So let's step over here and get ourselves straight to the system itself. So the setup is finished. You can now start using your phone. Thanks for watching. That'll be it, and bye-bye.